Right, that's it from me. We'll be back with more for you tomorrow, but for now, have a very good evening. Bye-bye.
Hello again. Could be a bit late in the day to be tripping around the garden with a horticultural fleece, but it looks like we are going to see the first proper frost of the autumn season for many parts of the UK, under clear skies and with light winds, as temperatures are already dipping away, and certainly northern areas seeing quite a widespread frost by the end of the night. It takes a bit longer for the skies to clear across southern parts of England, and along these North Sea coasts we'll keep a bit of a breeze and more in the way of clouds, so temperatures not falling quite as low here. But by the end of the night, even in towns and cities, temperatures getting well down into single figures. And spin those numbers, these are more representative of the rural areas, and you can see quite widespread they're seeing frost across the northern half of the UK and a touch of frost further south as well. So a bit crisp to start the day on Saturday, but it's going to be a beautiful day to start the weekend. Lots of sunshine around, virtually guaranteed dry everywhere as well. An early shower near that east coast, but that's about it. Through the afternoon we might see a bit more cloud beginning to spread in across western parts of Scotland. Temperatures don't look terribly impressive, 11, 12, 13 here and across Northern Ireland, Northern England, but the winds are light and the September sunshine's still relatively strong, so it will feel pleasant enough, I think. Up to 16, maybe 17 degrees across southern parts of England. But across the southwest you will find the wind just beginning to freshen a touch through the afternoon, cloud beginning to thicken as well, and that's because if we zoom out, things are stirring down to the southwest. Now, we've been talking about this potential development for the last few days. There was a lot of uncertainty attached to it. That uncertainty is reducing, so we're fairly confident now that we are going to see a low pushing up from the south, bringing an increasingly wet day to southern parts of the UK on Sunday. So certainly southern England, probably Wales, the Midlands and East Anglia turning wet through the day. But further north, northern England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, you get one more fine day after a rather chilly start. Temperatures again around 12 or 13 degrees. So to sum up the weekend, Saturday, lovely day, guaranteed dry and bright pretty much everywhere. Sunday turning increasingly wet, particularly across the south. And that triangle tells us we've got an early warning, because that rain as this low really starts to get wound up through Sunday night and into Monday could start to cause some problems. Lots of isobars on the chart, so the wind's picking up as well. Don't take the positioning too literally this far out, but the general theme is pretty clear. We are turning into some pretty autumnal conditions, I think, as we go through into the early part of next week. Could have an impact on your journey to work on Monday morning. That's it. Keep up to date on the website.